And our favorite rocket ship zooming through the sky.
Don't pull out in front of me, Mr. School Bus. Miss Frizzle.
Good blinker. Nice blinker. Good one. Ooh, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Danger. It is 7:30 in the morning, and it is a cool 54 degrees for the first time in I don't know how long. I figured I would try to make a video this morning and get it out same day, but we'll see how that goes. Oh my gosh, let's go. You're so slow. Seriously, drive faster, you suck. I'm gonna try and stop later and grab some oil so I can do an oil change on this bad boy. So there's like this really big shooting that happened yesterday right across the street from the Walmart where I had just gotten finished shopping. I might post like a headline or something here. I don't know, there's still conflicting details as of recording it this morning as to what actually happened, so it's kind of weird, but some dude live streamed him in like a police chase and shut the live stream off, and then there was a ton of gunfire. That was caught on someone else's video. But I just saw that like nobody was hit somehow. I don't know. Oh no, I have to wait on the school buses. Oh my gosh. Don't hurt yourself. Good blinker. Nice blinker. Good one. Whoa, it's like Stephen King's The Mist out there. I haven't seen that movie in a hot minute, but I still think about it a lot. If you haven't seen it, I'm not going to spoil it, but the only reason I really remember it is the ending. That ending stuck with me. Like, I remember the movie being, like, decent, but that ending was one to remember. I'll just say that. That ending will either leave you speechless or yelling at the TV, one or the other. Bro, it is a brisk morning. I haven't felt being cold in a long time. It's been 100 degrees out every day, so this is new. You know it's bad when a Jixer bro's wearing his big jacket.
Don't pull out in front of me, Mr. School Bus. Miss Frizzle.
No, don't do it. I've been cut off by that school bus so many times. I just expect it to pull out in front of me now. It doesn't matter if I'm in my car or on the bike. That school bus pulls out in front of me all the time. I'm getting on the road now. Good luck, everybody else. That's a Family Guy reference. Going on a trip and our favorite rocket ship zooming through the stars. I don't think those were the lyrics, but you know, it is what it is. I think it's zooming through the sky, Little Einstein. Is that it? I never actually watched that show. I just had little kids sing that song all the time. Like, I don't really know. More school buses. More school buses. Oh no, more school buses. I know what I said. Leave me alone. Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship zooming through the sky. Little Einstein. Oh, I got off of it at the end. That one's weird because it doesn't line up with the lines like the other ones do. That one's like off to the side. Whoever did that one was drunk. That's a Camry SE. A lot of you don't know this, but that SE stands for something else. The more you know. It doesn't make me feel right seeing a little fire pit out in an overgrown front lawn under a tree. Like, you're just asking for a fire. I mean, obviously, that's not what I mean. You know what I meant. I mean, you're asking for an out-of-control fire. Shut up. I'm not stupid. I posted a lot of shorts, and you guys saw my U.S. Army name tapes, and we're like, oh yeah, that makes sense. You guys saw me acting stupid, and we're like, oh, he's in the Army, it's okay. Like, that's to be expected. And it is. You're not wrong. But it's still hurtful. Haha, just kidding, I don't have feelings. Look, my visor's fogging up, so I'm kind of scared to ride this line. I can't see very well right now. But I'm going to do it for you guys anyway. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that's bright, boy. My visor is real fogged up. This has got to be a really bad safety hazard right now. Good thing Danger's my middle name. I guess technically on YouTube it's my first name. No, it's my third name, Ride with Danger. I'm stupid. Alright, you know what? You know what I said about the Army thing? Never mind. I'm dumb, okay? I'm dumb. Danger with Ride over here. Look, all I know is if I go fast, my visor unfogs itself. I gotta go fast. Like Sonic the Hedgehog. Like Lightning McQueen, gotta go fast. Look, I was talking so much I forgot to downshift. I'm so out of it this morning, bro. Another fun fact about the Toyota Camry, it was designed in 1864 alongside the German U-boat. It was used extensively in the Cold War. It carried enemy troops across southern borders of Mexico, and it single-handedly won the Battle of the Bulge. Hey, look, people are running through a graveyard, no less. And that's fitting if you're running in the morning. You already hate yourself, so I mean, why not do it in a graveyard? Oh, sod it. Thank you for actually doing it back, man. So many Harleys are just like, oh, sport bike, gross. I'm not gonna even look at you. Thank you for being a cool dude. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. So until next time, I'll catch you later. Always remember, Toyota beat the Russians in World War III single-handedly using the Toyota Camry. It is a weapon of mass destruction and minimum transportation. I don't know what this caution tape's for, but I kind of want to touch it. Alright, I'm gonna end it on this beautiful sunrise.